Phrasal verbs. Argued about, allow for, angling for, angles for, angled for, asked after, and more.
Listen.
Argue about.
Discutir sobre, disputar por.
They argued about the best way to solve the problem. They argued about who should pay the bill. Allow for.
Levar em consideração, permitir.
We must allow for possible delays during the trip. The plan does not allow for bad weather. You should allow for extra time to finish the project. Angle for.
Pescar algo, tentar conseguir indiretamente.
She is angling for promotion at work. He always angles for compliments about his cooking. The reporter angled for an exclusive interview. Ask after.
Perguntar pela saúde de alguém, perguntar sobre.
He asked after your mother when I saw him. She always asks after the children. They asked after our vacation plans. Auction off.
Vender em leilão.
They decided to auction off the old furniture. The house will be auctioned off next week. She auctioned off her collection of stamps. Abound with.
Abundar em, estar cheio de.
The forest abounds with wild animals. His speech abounded with interesting ideas. The region abounds with natural resources.
Absorb in.
Absorver-se em, envolver-se totalmente em.
She was absorbed in reading a novel. He absorbed himself in his work to forget the problem. The children were absorbed in playing video games. Account for.
Explicar, responder por, representar.
He could not account for his absence. We must account for every expense. Young people account for a large part of the population. Act on. She acted on the advice of her doctor. The medicine acts on the nervous system. They acted on the information immediately.
Appeal to.
Apelar para atrair.
The lawyer appealed to the judge for mercy. That movie appeals to young audiences. She appealed to her friends for help. Apply to.
Aplicar-se a solicitar.
This rule does not apply to you. He applied to 3 different universities. The new technology applies to many fields. Argue about.
Discutir sobre, disputar por.
They argue about politics all the time. The siblings argue about who gets the remote control. We argued about the best route to take.